Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to add users on the RedNote app. It's really easy and simple. First things first, of course, you're going to go ahead and open up the RedNote app. And then what you need to do, guys, at the top left, you will see these three horizontal lines. Click on that. And then you want to click on the first option right here that says Discover Friends, okay? Now, there's many ways to add people. You can come here under the Discover and add random people they will suggest to you. Or you can come and click on contacts and add people who are in your contact list who have allowed access to their contacts as well. Currently, as you can see in my phone, I do not have any contacts whatsoever for my SIM card. So you'll not see anyone right here. But also what you can do is you can go ahead and click on QR code and scan a QR code as well. And then click here. Now this is your ID, right? If you click on scan right here, and then you can scan another person's ID to add them, or you can save this and then share it with someone else and they will be able to add you. What you can also do, guys, if you know someone's username, come here at the top right, click on search, and now you can come here and search for that person. For example, let's search for Noel right here, and then go to users, then you can filter through. But it's much easier if you have their RedNote ID. For example, right here, this is their RedNote ID. What you want to do is come here and just click on follow. And then once they follow you back, you will be their friend. It's really that easy and simple, guys.